Okay, so welcome all to Financial Fitness Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about support resistance. So, 1 week before, we completed the basic price movement. So, we have a trilogy, right? So, three concepts joined together make a solid foundation for trading in stock market. First, we learned about basic price movement, which we have completed earlier. Today, we are going to learn about support and resistance. On coming Thursday, we will be learning about accumulation and distribution to understand what big players are doing. Today's topic is very important for any technical analyst. If he wants to earn money in stock market, today's concept is very important. Before we go to that, how many of you attended or have watched on YouTube about the basic price movement, what we did 1 week ago? Can I have yes if you attended 1 week ago the program on basic price movement, or you have seen the video on YouTube? If you have not seen, you can go. Great. So a lot of people have already attended or seen on the YouTube. Great, fantastic. So makes my life easier to explain. So okay, so those who are saying no, please go and watch on my YouTube channel. You can watch this basic price movement and you'll understand what I'm teaching today. So now, like I said, there are four phases of stock price movement. One is it will go up, uptrend, then it will consolidate, and there will be downtrend, and then accumulation. This is four phase. So this is how the price will keep on moving. There is no new thing which happens in stock market. All the prices, whenever they are moving, they will be moving in the same way. They will go up, they'll move sideways, they'll come down, they'll move sideways, go up, move sideways. That's it. All stocks, each and every instrument in stock market will have the same price movement. We understood this two concept. What is the value and price? So value always increases if the company is growing, if they're having profits, they're earning money, that money is coming inside the company. So that value is increasing, right? If the value is increasing, then only the share price will increase. So the value and price has to match. Sometimes it is overpriced, sometimes it is underpriced, but always the price will try to find the correct value for the stock. And how to draw support resistance. So we are going to understand how to draw support resistance. Just a refresher. We took an example of a tomato. So if the price was at 20 rupees, if it goes up to 80 rupees, and if it goes to 250 rupees, naturally people will be less inclined to buy that tomato. If the price is starting from 20 rupees, if it is going to 80 rupees and 250, the enthusiasm of buyers will die down. They will be less inclined. They'll say nahi yaar abhi nahi kharidte, abhi jane do, will not eat tomato for a few days, kya farak padta hai. So if you plot on a chart, the chart will look something like that. When you are looking, the objective of showing this diagram was, when you are looking the price action, the chart on trading view, you will find that the price movement is tapering, it is curving, it is not going with the same enthusiasm up, it will taper. So when it is tapering like that, that means the enthusiasm of buyer is slowing down. Buyers are thinking, yaar ye bahut zyada rate ho gaya, the rate has gone too high. So should we actually buy more or should we wait? Because how it will go further, when the company will grow, it will have some more profits, it will add some more value, then only we can take price. For the current value, this price is the limit, iske aage abhi we will not buy. So it starts facing a resistance, the price will not move up. That is how the resistances are created. If it starts falling down, Like I explained the example of tomato again, coming down from 250 to 80 to 20. If the price is falling, suddenly the buyer's enthusiasm will go up. They will say, "Arey wow, बहुत बढ़िया price मिल रहा है. It has come to a really good price, and it is a good price to buy the tomatoes." Let's say if the tomatoes are falling from 250, 80, 20, 20, all buyers will jump in, mothers will jump in, they'll make ketchup and all chutney, gitney, everything they'll make for 20 rupees a kg tomato if we are getting. So the buyer's enthusiasm comes up. So buyers, this is called demand zone. You might have heard something concept, or you might be hearing concepts like supply zone and demand zone. Why I'm saying this, and I'll give you some more references, also words, because this concept, basic, this is a very basic concept. This is a but it will be used and packaged in different same biscuit, they'll give nice wrapper with a some ribbon gibbon everything, and there are a lot of concepts around the support and resistance only. So you understand the support resistance, correlate this support resistance with that concept, and you will understand that concept very fast. So now this is one example I gave, that okay, tomato when it is going, one is the enthusiasm of buyers dies down, the price curve becomes like this. That is point number one. Second is something called supply zone, demand zone. You will, when you study more about technical analysis, you will find that people are talking about supply zone and demand zone. When the price is going up, here the sellers are very happy selling at a very high price. So they are supplying, they are keep on supplying. Okay, take more stock, take more stock. Sell, you buy for at 250 because they are very happy buying at 250 rupees. So it becomes a supply zone. Supply zone means the supplier is happy, the seller is very happy selling at this price, but the buyer is not very happy buying this price. He is thinking, यार should I buy, or ठीक है, it's बहुत high हो गया. When the price comes down to certain level where the buyer is willing to buy more and more and more of that share, that is a demand zone. So when the prices are coming down, it will start tapering and becoming flat. The price of the share will start becoming flat. That is a demand zone. Buyers are having more and more demand to buy. Same zone, supply zones and demand zones become support and resistance. I'll just take you through theory quickly, and then I'll show you on the chart straight away. So this we have gone so far so good. Can I have yes from all of you if this refresher was good enough to for us to move forward? Yes. Okay, great, thank you. So now how this helps us, it gives us a guidance to buy at a particular price, so that in case the share price is going down, see the the first question which comes in anyone's mind is, especially if you're starting into stock market and if a share price is going down, the first question comes to your mind is, should I buy? Has it fallen enough? Should I buy at this price? How many of you have heard this question, or you had this question when the share price is going down? The first thing which comes to your mind is, should I buy at this level? Then you'll put on WhatsApp, should I buy? You'll go and search in Google, should I buy at this level? Is this a good level? Will it go up? Will I be in profitable? And like that. That is the first question it comes to your mind. Second question which comes to your mind is, if it is going up, once you see a lot of profit, then you start typing, is it a good rate to come out? Is it a good rate to come out? Can I sell now, or will it go up further? When to sell? These are the only two questions which every trader, short term, long term, I'm not talking, this is more of a short term. So take today's session for a short term. Every short term player asks, okay, should I sell? Should I sell? Should I book the profit? Only two questions. So support resistance, in a way. So we are going to learn about horizontal support resistance. Then we'll talk about slanting support resistance. Don't get confused with my words. Just I'm trying to impress you people. No, it's not like that. So you want to know when to buy. So that is the very, very, very important question. When to buy, when to sell. Support resistance answers your that question. Again, okay, so we have to wait till the price comes. Support is a level where many buyers find the value. So buyers jump in, and you want to jump in with along with the other buyers. When all are buying, the price will not go down, right? If lots of people are buying at that point, the price will not go down. It will sustain at that level, and most likely it will go up. But if you are only buyer and others are not interested in buying at that level, there is a likelihood that it will go down. So you want to jump in, you want to buy when other buyers are buying. And resistance is a level where sellers find that price has exceeded too much and they want to exit. That time also you should exit. So so this is how support resistance helps. That is one thing. Again, I might sound repeating myself, but it is very, very important you imbibe this concept of support resistance. You will study RSI indicators. There are indicators, moving averages, RSI, MACD, ADX, Bollinger Bands, everything. But you have to understand this concept of support resistance. If you understand this concept of support resistance, that how and why this support and resistance work, when you will combine it with either RSI or any other indicator, you'll find you'll get fantastic results. Forget this simple concept of support resistance and you use only RSI, your success rate will go down. Join support resistance concept with RSI or FACD or ADX or Bollinger Bands, your success rate will go up. So that's how important it is. It may look simple, but it is very, very important concept. So support, just observe this purple ball going up. So this is how price moves up. Okay, so it will go up. It will face, okay, the sellers, buyers start buying, 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 buying. It reaches to a point where they are not very enthusiastic to buy anymore. So it faces the resistance, the price faces the resistance, and it will come down. It comes down. When it comes to support, that means at a lower price. Okay, when it comes to lower price, the buyer's enthusiasm again goes up. अरे बढ़िया रेट पे मिल रहा है अभी, this share is, I am able to buy at a very good rate, बढ़िया रेट पे आ गया, I will buy. So again, lots of buyers will jump in at this level. Again, the price will start going up. It will come to a resistance. Many people will say, nahi mujhe pata hai, last time it came to this level, it went down. So many people will sell. It might again come down to support. So what happens is the price goes from a very good buying price to a level where buyers are not very enthusiastic to buy again. It faces a resistance, comes down. How many of you have attended 2 weeks back candlestick pattern, reversal patterns? Yes, we will add those concepts in support resistance to make our technical skills more sharper. Okay, so it goes to that level, resistance level, where people think no, no, it is overbought, बहुत ज़्यादा costly हो गया, अभी इससे ऊपर will not buy, and that is where it starts falling. It comes to support. Sometimes what happens is company may have good results, it may have good profits, and some value addition has happened in that company. So the previous valuation, see how the value of company will go up. They might have a good result, they have good order, so that they'll have good profit. If they have good profit, some money will come in. If the money will come in, the value of company goes up. If the value of the company goes up, the share price will go up. That is the simple reason. Company धंधा अच्छा करेगा, बिजनेस अच्छा करेगा, प्रॉफिट लाएगा, प्रॉफिट आएगा तो उसका शेयर प्राइस ऊपर जाएगा. सो इट विल ब्रेक बिकॉज नाउ the buyers are ready to pay more price for the share, and the previous where they were earlier they were not willing to buy any further, that level is broken. It goes again, stretches itself to a level where again seller says nahi yaar, jitna business tha, whatever the business was, this price is good enough now. इससे ऊपर नहीं, will not pay more than this. So that again it starts facing resistance. It will come down, and many times you'll find that it will find support at the previous resistance level, and these are very good level. If you see that wherever earlier there was a resistance, next time it acts as a support, that is a very good level for us for buying. I'll show you in the actual. So price will move normally the price will move between the support and resistances. And by now you must have understood. Okay, let me just check. So if you have this question that when should I buy, at what price you will buy, with whatever you have understood till now, if you have to buy any share, so at what price will you buy? Support prices, right? Fantastic. You will buy at a support level. So you see whatever we do. See, if I am a buyer, fantastic. So Anand is saying support or when it breaks resistance, definitely above the support. So when it comes at the support level, you buy, and when it tests support, see why we want to buy at support is we have different kind of investors. We are small investors. Someone might invest 1000, someone might invest 2000, someone might invest 5000, someone might invest 1 lakh, even till 10 lakh, 1 crore. Even if someone is investing 10 lakh also in share, still as per the market size, he's a small investor only. He or she can create a flutter in the market, but he or she cannot change the direction of the price. So what we should do, as you all said, we should buy where other people are also finding the support, right? Other people are finding the support. Okay, so one interesting question has come. How do we expect price will come back to support level? Price may go up also. Yes, absolutely. So how we known, right? So it's not about knowing. It's not about knowing. I'll come to that, and it's a very interesting question because this question has uh, a very basic human instinct, right? It's a very basic human instinct below this question. And this basic human, what would say, why people are not successful in stock market, that is also one reason behind this feeling, which from which feeling this question comes. And it comes to everyone, and this is a very common question everyone will have in its mind. How do we expect price will come back to support level? Price may go up also. That feeling is fear of missing out, right? Fear of missing out. FOMO is a very good word in stock market, and every trader, every investor has to overcome this fear of missing out. So what happens is price is coming down. Ideally, it has to be like fishing. I have to do it like a fishing. I have to wait patiently. So what is required for a successful trader is I have to wait patiently for it to come to support. I should not jump the guns. नहीं यार थोड़ा आ गया, थोड़ा सा ही दूरी है, let me buy. No, I have to wait patiently for it to come to support. Patiently, we have all studied reversal pattern. It has to show reversal pattern. then we buy. So it's a two-step process. First of all, we see it falling, आने दो, नीचे आन दो. It has to come to support, show a reversal pattern, then we buy. Problem happens when we have fear of missing out. नहीं, शायद नहीं आएगा, maybe it will not come till the support level, and people jump and buy, and then they see it is coming down. It did not take support, it went further down because it did not showed us a reversal pattern. So two things we have to understand: patience, wait till it to come to support, then wait for the reversal pattern, then buy. And fear of missing out is biggest. So how do we counter it? It may happen that it may not come to support, it may go up. So how do we buy? So like someone mentioned, I think Anand or someone mentioned in the comment, we either buy at support or when it breaks the resistance. So we have 2 points of buying, and I will today I will share with you how to use these 2 points. Okay, so let's see if I have any comments left. Just let me see. Give me. I'll tell you. I'll answer all the questions. Okay, great. So support and resistance versus volume. If the price is going to take support or not, as the price approaches the support level, the volumes will start reducing. Right. First, the volumes will reduce, and at support level, there will be lot of volumes. Green candles, when it is coming down, earlier the red candle volumes will be higher. At support level, all the green candle volumes will be relatively higher than the red candle. So that is one pattern. Okay, so let's straight away go to finding support resistance. Where is my... Okay, now okay, okay, I don't want to embarrass engineers and all, so I will tell myself, okay, I am an engineer and I suffered for many years the inner voice of having a precision trading, a precision value where it will take support. Okay, this is not a precision trading. Okay, people claim they have precision trading, but it's not a precision trading. It's a trading is a mixture of art and science. You have to put some imagination, you have to put some art of imagination, and you have to understand some things, and then you have to understand something logic. Mix thoda 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 mixture hai, bhel puri hai ye. How many of you love bhel puri? Anyone loves bhel puri? So now, see, this is trading is sort of bhel puri. So you have to mix art and science and mix it well, and then you enjoy it, right? So don't go for precision. Typically, like people who are from the background, from education background, who love their education, like typically engineers or maybe chartered accountants, maybe surgeons, who have to be very precise, or chemists who have to be very precise in their profession. Okay, itna milligram and microgram and all that mixing, there is a likelihood that you will struggle for lot many years trying to find precision in stock market. Okay, so don't look for precision, look for approximation, take the pulse. Like I always say, it's like driving on the Indian roads, right? How many of you have driven some bike or car on Indian roads with some potholes, with all intelligent people jumping on road any point of time without any signal, any... No, no, long trips रहे अपना city के अंदर. How many of you have driven inside the cities with potholes, with people jumping the red lights, and people walking, pedestrians may jump in front of you anytime and surprise you that I am alive, and then you have potholes, and then you have traffic jams. Now tell me, Can any engineer teach you how to drive on those roads? It will come with experience only, right? It will come with experience. Can anyone write rules to drive in India? No, they will tell you general rules कि बहुत ऐसा है, अगर गड्ढा आएगा, इफ द पॉट होल कम्स, थोड़ा स्पीड कम करने का, देखने का कितना डीप है, टायर नहीं फंसेगा तो जाने का, नहीं तो साइड से जाने का, बराबर है. ओनली एक्सपीरियंस. इफ सम पर्सन जम्प्स, यू हैव टू पुट अ ब्रेक, say some good words to him and go ahead. That is how we do. So that's how you have to understand. So just relax. All those people who are looking for precision, just relax, loosen yourself. All arts people, just relax and try to see what I'm trying to show here. You will see this happening again and again and again. You have to go back and practice. Ready? Can I have yes from all of you if you are ready? If you are relaxed and ready to understand what I am saying, to imagine, right? So I want your artist within you to come out. Just relax. Okay? Just relax. Now, if I draw a line here, okay? If I draw a line here and zoom in, how many of you can imagine that the price came here in July 2021, it went up, went up, again came down in December 21. So July, August, September, October, November, December. After 6 months, again it came down, and like a ball, it bounced from here, went up. Again, it is trying to come and take a support here, right? So even if you go in history also, there was a buying when it came down at this similar level. If I adjust it here, now this was simple observation, right? It came, it took support, so buyers jumped in. They said, "Arey wow, बहुत बढ़िया price है. 1410 is very good price for HDFC Bank." You will see all the commentators saying on the TV, "Okay, 1400 are good support level." How they are saying? They are not having some antargyan or some divine light or something like that. No, they will simply draw the line. They will see historically where this price has bounced earlier. So they will see, okay, 1400, it has gone up. Here in June, it has gone up. Okay, May, it has gone up. Fine. Here, it has gone up. So at this level, price has gone. Every time it comes to, for last, from January 2021, right, from almost from last 1 year, whenever the price comes to this level, there is a probability that it will take a support and go up. So now if I remove this line, and if you see visually, now you have to bring in the art within yourself. When you are seeing at it, you have to see, is there a level here where the price comes down and bounces from there? Then step number two, first is you have to see visually, just have a look at the chart. Okay, see where you feel, right? आर्ट पार्ट है ना, थोड़ा आर्टिस्ट होना पड़ेगा, तो फील करना पड़ेगा अपने को. फील वेयर द प्राइस इज बाउंसिंग, then many multiple number of time. If it is bouncing 3 times, that is a fantastic, at least 3 times, right? So if you see, if you feel that the price, see, this has bounced from here, this has bounced from here, we don't know whether it will bounce from here or not. So this is a support level. Even you can see it was not willing, it was hovering here, and then ultimately it went up, it took support. So 2 to 3 times, if it is taking support, that is a good support level. You draw. Point number one. Clear? Everyone clear how I'm drawing the support level? So far, so good? Only two people are saying yes. Hello? Yes? Okay. Now, okay. Second point is very, very important point. This is something related to human psychology. As you can see, this black line which I have drawn, I'll make it a full line. And there is something interesting happening here. See this line here, if you see, I have drawn this line roughly. It is at 141422. Okay. 1422. Now, okay, I didn't understand this question. Anyway, I'll come to the questions at the end. Now, second part is, now I see visually. Now everyone can see this line I have drawn. First we went visually, and this is the where it is jumping. Okay. Second important thing is, still still human beings are trading in stock market. Okay, who are trading in stock market? There may be algo trading and all is happening and it is changing, but believe me, for next 10 years at least, majority traders will be human beings. Okay, now what happens is, as a human being, we have a tendency of round figure. We have a tendency of round figure. Even if we say someone, acha, today evening, youngsters will talk, no, hey bro, what time we are meeting, right? They say bro and all every time. They'll say, hey bro, we are what time we are meeting. Just try to recollect, how many of you have said, okay, we will meet at 2 o'clock 7 minutes and 30 seconds? Have you ever made your appointment like this, 2 o'clock 7 minutes and 30 seconds? How many of you have done this appointment? What time are we meeting in the evening? We will meet at 7 o'clock 12 minutes and 34 seconds. We are going to meet. Never, right? What we do is, koi bhi bolega what time we are meeting, we will say 7 o'clock, 7:15, 7:30, 7:45, 8. Right? Best is, see, one very good example, right? Normally, majority of time, either you will say 7 or 7:30, or 8 or 8:30, 9 or 9:30. थोड़ा बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रिसीजन हो गया तो someone will say 7, 7:15, 7:45. Because if you have to meet somewhere and go for 15 minutes, and this is, but if you are in general, if you are meeting with someone, you will say 7, 8:30. So 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30 are a common accepted human tendency to talk. Within that, 7:15, 7:45 is more. Someone is very precise, still he will say something like that. How many of you agree? So far, so good. This is human tendency, right? Same happens in the stock market also. Okay. Now I am trying to make a second important point. Why I emphasize so much on the time. Because when you are in stock market, see this line I have drawn precisely at 141422. Human tendency is, we like round figures, right? When it is in hundreds, we like in 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So if it is, if your line is around 1422, just make it to the round figure of 1400. Next time when you go and see, if you find that okay, 1400 is not catering to this support level properly, you're missing some supports here, make it 1450. Okay, round figure. Okay, now if you see, when we are doing this round figure, you will find that this is having a better understanding. Even if you go on now, whenever you watch the CNBC TV 18 and all, they will, whenever they give it is having a good support level, go back and check, draw one line at that level. First of all, they will say round figures. Secondly, you go back and see, you will find lot of people buying there. So we will keep this at 1400 level. Okay, 1400 we will keep here. 1400 is a good, based on my experience. Now how you will get this experience? You have to draw at least 500 support and resistance lines. Okay, that is second part of it. Third part of it is we'll add volumes. Now let's zoom in. Okay, now here you will find, you can see this 4th of August. I have brought in the volumes. These bars are volumes, right? First of all, you will find when the price comes down, 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 we have studied the reversal pattern in candlestick. We understood the candlestick. We went through the bullish engulfing. We went through Harami pattern, Doji star 2, 3, 4. We went through. When it is coming down, see here it formed a Harami pattern. Harami pattern is little, not a very strong reversal, but it will tell you, bhai ye ruk raha hai yahan pe. This stock is going to stop. Now you already know based on the past experience that okay, this here the price hovers around 1400 roughly. When it came down here, it is 1400. Now when it is coming down here, when it is near, it may or may not touch 1400. Okay, don't insist on nahi nahi yaar ye 1400 pe touch hona hi chahiye. Nahi, 1400 is approximately a level where you have to start looking for the reversal patterns. Some patterns will show you that it is getting bullish. Okay, so similarly, don't go for precision 1400 पे तो touch होना ही चाहिए. I'll buy at 1400. No, we are knowing this is a level. Start looking for a reversal patterns at that level. If you go, okay, ठीक है, it has come down, it has formed a harami pattern. Okay, ठीक है, I will wait above the top of it. नहीं हुआ, उसका this is sort of bullish engulfing. I'll buy above this and take the trade. Make sense? Yes. Now, how the will the pattern be successful is, how do we know that the pattern is likely to be successful? With the help of volumes. Volumes play an important role. You may or may not know, but it will be a sort of confirmation. See, this is the pattern. If you buy here above this bullish engulfing pattern, you buy here, you see this green candle with a huge volume candle here. This volume candle is much more than that. That means the buyers participated, lots of buyers participated, and this candle is a bullish candle. If you remember, I taught you the types of candles. See, there is a open is almost equal to low, so it kept on buy, right? The buyers kept on buying throughout the day. Last minute they gave away a little bit. Okay, so it's a bullish candle, volume, reversal patterns at support, resistance. This gives you confidence. Not only confidence, you have a high probability of success when you buy. Do we have to buy at 1400? My question is, if it is coming down, do we buy at 1400? My question is, if the price is coming down, do we buy at 1400? No. Perfect answer. Answer is no. Perfect answer. What are we looking at those levels when it is coming at the support levels? What we are looking at that point? Wait for confirmation, wait for reversal pattern, reversal, trend reversal. Trend is falling, there is a reversal pattern. So wait for the reversal pattern. Then take the trade above this. Okay, take the trade above this here. And see on that day, at the end of the day, if the volume was good, good. That means what you were thinking, lot of other people were also thinking. Take the trade. How far you will take the trade? You will take it till the resistance. Where is this resistance? Again, imagination. See, previously it was, it reversed here. See, this is the piercing pattern. See, go back in the history and see where were the strong reversal patterns. Draw a line here, wait for it, Approximately it is coming at 1553. Keep it at 1550, round figure, and wait for it to come here. See, here is the resistance. It went till there and came down. Here it came down here. Now you have a reversal pattern. You buy above the reversal pattern, wait for it to go till 1550. You can exit at 1550 or wait for a reversal pattern. You can exit after reversal pattern if it is forming like this dark cloud cover and all. So this is where support and resistance works. There are slanting support resistance and all. Even in RSI, MACD, anything, if you use the support resistance along with that, you will be successful. Okay, wait. So one more example we are going to see here is 1400. Okay, 1440. Okay. Now, see, after it happened in June, July 2021, again, see, it came down, it was falling down here. Okay, it came down. If you are thinking here, kidhar buy karega, then if it is coming near somewhere 1400, reversal patterns start going up. Kahan tak jayega? See, here also the resistance was 1550, around 1550. Agreed? 1550, round figure 1550. When we saw, when it took reversal from here, it went till 1550 at least. So when it is coming here, sometimes what happens is what I said, FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Many people will think maybe it will not go till 1400. It is a good level. Why not I buy a little early? So people start jumping in little early itself. So it may happen that reversal pattern may form little earlier. It's okay. You have to see it has to form nearby 1400. Reversal pattern formed. You take a trade. Till what point it will go? Till 1550. You sell it out at 1550. Book your profits, sell it out. Okay, if you see, now see here also 1550, this is the resistance here, it has become support here. If you are not waiting for a reversal pattern at 1550, see here the reversal pattern did not form, it went down. So you have to wait for reversal pattern, confirm. So far so good. Can I have yes from all of you if this concept of support is clear, how to find the support? So you have to make a bhel puri of art and science. It's a bhel puri of art and science. You have to mix art and science. You have to first see visually, okay, where the price is bouncing. Go there, draw a line. It's not a precision trading, approximate trading. Second is when the price is coming there, it it will be somewhere there, right? So you have to wait for the reversal pattern, buy above the reversal pattern, go till resistance and sell there. Now, see, so now what will happen is now the magic of support resistance. Okay. Okay, 1500, 1400, 1500, it is going 1550. Let me see. Okay. No, Bharati is asking, is it necessary to sell? No, no. I'm just giving you idea. It's up to you whether you want to buy or sell there or not. I'm telling many people earn this way only. They buy at support, sell at resistance. So they wait patiently at the support, reversal pattern, buy, sell at support. Again, if it crosses above the support, they will buy next support. Okay, tell me what is the difference between 1440, 1400 and 1550? 1550 minus 1400, how much it will be? 150. Add 150 to 1550. Add 150 to 1550. 1700. Okay. So I'm typing this 1700 to this line and you see the magic. Do you think that this was a resistance level where it went down? Yes. Okay, subtract 150 from 1400. 1250. Do you see something here? Do you see that it faced a resistance here? Do you see it faced some support here? It's tried to sustain there. It is a resistance. So it crossed. Now tell me, even if you don't know how far it will go, you have 1700, add 150. It has still not gone there. Add 150 to 1700. How much it will be? Okay. So roughly, if it crosses 1750, we can wait patiently. If you want to get out, we can get out at 1850. So without even knowing that whether it will be a resistance or not, approximately we know the next resistance level after 1700 is 1850. Right? So you can draw this levels on the lower side, higher side. Now how to trade is simple. Right now the price is coming down. If it is coming down, wait till here, wait till here. What is Sushmita is saying? Support and resistance goes with the AP. I don't understand what is AP. Andhra Pradesh, you mean? Okay, Sushmita, you are saying support and resistance goes with AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, okay, okay. I thought Andhra Pradesh you are saying. Okay, yeah, sort of. It goes with arithmetic progression. The gap between the two support resistance should be around roughly 10%. See, 1400 plus 10% is 150. So 150 is the support resistance. So this is 10% of 1400. Here you can go with 10% for each. So you can say 10 to, it's a range of 10 to 15%. A gap between two support resistance should be anything between 10 to 15. So you cannot say 10% bola to main 10% hi rakhenge. You have to see where it is actually having the support and resistance. Okay. 10% plus to 15%. The gap between support and resistance will be 10 to 15%. Now what I want you all to do is, see, I told you because I have little experience of drawing the support and resistance line. I have drawn fat. I draw some magic. I showed, okay, see, this is the resistance and all. But you people, if you want to really master and really enjoy this support resistance, one thing you have to do is you have to go back, open the trading view and draw at least 50 support resistance line. Now this is the problem which will come. You will always have a doubt कि मैंने जो draw किया, whatever I have drawn is right or wrong. How many of you will have this doubt, strong doubt in their mind? They will have, yeah, I don't know, I'm drawing it, but whether it is correct or not, I don't know. Correct. Correct. Okay, so don't worry about it. See, it comes with the practice. Okay, you will not find it on the Google. Google will not give you answer. Okay, what is the support resistance of HDFC Bank? Okay, somewhere you will find, but don't do that first. Second is don't worry whether you are doing it right or wrong. Okay, with time you will understand. Okay, what you are doing right or wrong. Only principle what you have to follow. The principle of not going wrong is it should have acted as a support or a resistance for at least 3 times. Then you cannot go wrong. How many times? 3. Okay. What do I mean 3? See here, this is one support. Here it took support. Few days ago, few months ago, it took support here. Few months ago, it took support here. So it took support 1, 2, 3. 3 times it has taken support. I can draw a line. I cannot be wrong. Draw a line, make it round figure 1400, 1500, 1600, like that. 50s, avoid 50s. Try making 1400, 1500. Point number one. Okay. Point number two, keep the gap between the two lines more than 10%, 10 to 15%. So, two rules clear. Can I have yes if those two rules are clear, so that you don't have doubt? Even if you draw wrong, believe me, if you follow these two rules, it will be very difficult to go around. It will be only self doubt which will stop you from learning. Otherwise, these rules will be pakka. Okay. Then third is you go pick up any stock, just start drawing. Okay, go back historically, go back some 8 to 10 years back. Okay, start drawing from here. Pick up, go into 2016. Look at it. Okay, acha, either ye bounce ho raha hai, either this is resistance. So it was having a reversal pattern. See, it is having bullish engulfing. Okay, draw a line here. Simple. Do we see 2 to 3 times resistance at this level? 550. Yes, correct. ठीक है, हो गया, 3 बार resistance हो गया. Then you find, okay, support, where was the support? So roughly here was the support, right? Okay, it is 486. 486 हो नहीं सकता, correct? So bring it to some level 450. Let's see, it is 2 downs, 500. Okay, let's see. ठीक है, 500, ठीक है, 500 to 550. From here 550, add 10% or 15%, keep drawing the lines. Okay, here see, this is 580, 600. Somewhere around 600 you will find the support level. 600. So keep drawing. Come back from go to 2016. Keep drawing for the support level. Sometimes you'll not find any support level in between. Practice. If you draw doing this without having any self doubt, at least 100 lines. If you practice this on different charts, for each stock, if you draw minimum 10 lines and you take 10 to 15 stocks, draw 10 lines, 10 support resistance lines each. If you draw some 200 lines, believe me, just by looking at it, you will come to know where is the support and resistance. You don't have to even draw the line. You can just simply keep your mouse and you'll come to know, okay, yehi hai support iska. But this has to be done. You have to do it. You have to practice it. Unless until you draw minimum 200 support resistance lines, you'll not be able to grasp it. You'll not be able to understand. You'll not be able to feel it. You cannot say, acha, acha, I am sitting in simulator, tell me how to drive on Indian roads. Can you go out and drive that car on Indian road? If someone gives you a simulator, how many of you can drive? If some new person comes and he says, nahi, mere ko na simulator pe bitha do, I will look, even I will not sit on the simulator, I will watch you doing on the simulator and then I will go and drive. No way. Same way, believe me, this class will be fruitful to you only and only if you draw 200 lines what I have drawn here, right? Pick up any stock, just see 3 times it is doing, go draw this line. Such lines, if you draw at least 200 without any self-doubt, keep drawing, then only today's session will be fruitful for you. You will be able to earn money using this, and you will be able to correlate with all RSI, Bollinger and all MACD. If you are not doing it, I will not say, but the things will not be encouraging. So how many of you promise me that at least you will draw, if you promise type P that you will at least draw 200 lines in coming 1 week? Promise me that you will draw at least 200 support lines in coming 1 week and you will practice this. Then only believe me. Otherwise, वो तो सब ज्ञान है. ज्ञान तो will get everywhere. But practice you have to do. Right? So gain knowledge, take action, then the money will flow. Okay, great. So we will stop here. If you have any questions, type in your name. I'll come to you one by one. Okay, I'll allow you to unmute. Just hold on. Okay. Yeah, Gopala Krishna. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, can you focus on the volumes in the downside
Uh-huh.
while the price is going up and coming down?
Uh-huh.
That time, what would be the behavior of the volume? And
See,
your chart is showing only gray color. There is
deliberately
no
I have made
green
a
and
gray color because what happens is the trading view has a feature of giving it green and red. But
okay.
deliberately I have made it gray color because that's how the people will get the essence of the volume. See,
Okay.
if the prices are going up, so like I explained, the buyers' enthusiasm is going down. Correct? They are not very enthusiastic. Less and less buyers are willing to give higher and higher price. Correct? So what will happen to volume?
While people are buying, then the volume will be increased.
No, they are not. See, as the price goes up,
Once it is reached, then it's okay. But it is moving upward. Like the candle is 27th December 21. After 27th December 21, the price is moving upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4,
correct.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days.
Up, right? So see here,
Then that
it has gone up. Gradually, the volumes are not very encouraging. If you see the volumes, as see here,
yes,
this candle,
it is not
5th
encouraging.
Jan, 6th Jan volume is reducing, 7th Jan, 8th Jan, price is going up, right? The price is going up in this direction, correct? If I draw this arrow from here to here, the price has gone up, correct?
Yes.
But in the same duration, if you see, the volume has relatively gone down. So there is a divergence of volume and the price. Price is going up, but the buyers are not enthusiastic. More and more buyers have to be enthusiastic for the price to go up. They are not enthusiastic. And then you see the red candles with heavy volumes. That means the seller said, "Abhi iske upar jayega nahi. Let's dump all our material in the market." They dumped. So red candles, if you see heavy volume, that means ho gaya abhi. Now it will go down.
Sir, you're talking about once it is reached peak. I'm talking about 5th Jan. 27th December.
See, 27th December, it may or may not be heavy volume. Sometimes it will be, if it is a high volume with a green candle, fantastic. Jump into the river immediately. It may or may not happen with heavy volume, because I will cover this in accumulation phase in the coming Thursday. How the big players will buy without telling the small investor. They will tell you at this levels that this is a good share, but they will buy at this levels very peacefully. Here the volumes may or may not be very strong. If it is strong or high, good, straight away start buying the share. If the volume is not strong, reversal pattern is there, you have to buy and you have to take a chance, but it may or may not be. But volume more than this, okay, this volume is important. When it is coming to support and you see a red candle near the support or above the support with high volume, see, let me just see, can you see this
Yes.
red candle here?
Correct.
right? This, when it is coming down, this red candle with high volume near support is also a fantastic indication that the downtrend is ending. Sellers have dumped all their material, whatever they had, they dumped. This red candle with high volume plus support, and if it is a reversal pattern, it has a high probability of going up.
So, mm, but in the previous days,
No,
on
see,
from
I told you this is good. What I said is, see, this is good. If the volume is high, it is good. It may or may not happen. Okay. I'm not saying, see, yes, if you want to take it to the next level, yes, you buy only when there is a good volume on the breakout side. That is also good way of doing it. If not, still you can take a chance. But if you are trying 100%, then this is a good. If you are having a volume, then only go ahead. That is also good approach to it.
okay.
Fine. Okay.
Okay.
Great, sir. Thanks. Why support resistance values in online platform does not match with our visual support and resistance, like money control shows support? I have no idea. They have their algos running behind support resistance. uh, don't take it as a precision. See, this is something what we are trying to learn. Okay. They, money control and all, they will give some support resistance. They also have some value like importance and all. But first understand the concept, first get the feeling of the concept, right? Don't rush into something. Why I said this concept is important is because many traders overlook this concept of support and resistance. They think, यार ये तो बड़ा primitive सा चीज है, बहुत ही basic चीज है, and nobody even gives a thought, nobody even practices. And that is the biggest mistake. You cannot drive a bike, a motored bike, if you don't know how to ride a bicycle. Very difficult to learn, right? So this is, understand, this is a bicycle. Yes, you may have a motorcycle, you may have a car, but you need to understand the basic sense of driving from bicycle only. Take this as a bicycle, which is very important. May not look very attractive as of now, but it is very important to understand, feel, and practice. Take my word for it. Okay, so then go for money control, Google and all, but you should know, you should get the feeling, right? Like you drive on the Indian road, ke gadde ka feeling, and that smart fellow who jumps on in front of your vehicle anytime, any moment, the biker who comes across from the left side, right side, any car who stops in front of you, you have that sense, okay, ki ye bewkufi karega koi, right? Someone, some idiot will do something, and you are ready for that. That sense you will not get with automation. Automation will help you. So that's why don't go to that level, don't search for the right levels, go and practice as much as possible these levels. You draw 200 lines, you'll get the sense. Then you go and see. Ek bar cycle seekh liya, then you go for a bike, then you go for a car. Don't go for a car, bike immediately. First learn bicycle. Okay. Okay, Vikas, go ahead please. Okay.
I'm here. See,
Yeah.
I have two questions.
Haha.
One is this support and resistance. Does it work for indices also?
Yes. Anything which
Okay,
is traded by humans.
okay. That is one. And second is it is related to our first session which we had last month on 27th क्या नाम है, Jan, I think.
Okay.
Whether triology started, right?
Uh-huh.
You said that when the price goes up, buyers' interest goes down. That is true, but sellers' interest goes up.
Hmm.
Okay. And when it is coming down, obviously the seller's interest goes down, but buyer's interest picks up.
Hmm.
But any trade to happen, there has to be a buyer and seller both,
Correct.
right?
Hmm.
So both interest has to match,
Correct.
isn't it? Yeah. So what I'm saying
Interest
is,
nahi, interest nahi. See, both दोनों का interest है तभी trade हो रहा है. So the both interest is
Yeah.
matching. That's why trade is happening. We are talking about enthusiasm.
Yeah, I got it. So I'm saying I just wanted to clarify on that because the sellers and buyers both are needed, and each buyer and seller has a very different compulsion to uh, exit. Matlab buyer, what you call buyer wants to buy to invest because every buyer looks for a profit. But seller may exit because of different reasons. It
Okay.
may be booking profit, it may be exiting, minimizing losses, or whatever it could be the reason, right?
Okay.
And that gets captured in the price action on a daily
Okay.
basis, right? Yeah. I just need your clarification, confirmation on that.
Yeah, you are right. You are
Yeah.
right in that. So everyone has his own requirement of buying and selling. So and the roles change. See, the person who is buying here is a buyer. The same. See, this is not like tomato, right? I gave the
Yeah.
example of tomato, but share price, shares and tomato, there is a difference. Tomato, there is a supply coming in every day.
Yeah.
In shares, there is no supply. There's no new supply unless the company comes with a IPO or SPO.
Okay.
Now the number of shares are limited, which can be traded because the promoters are holding the shares with them. अब जैसे मुकेश अंबानी के पास share है, he will not sell it in the market on day-to-day basis. He will hold it till he loves his company. Mukesh Ambani will hold his shares.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
His son will
Absolutely.
hold the shares. His daughter will hold the share. They are least bothered if it becomes 1,000, 5,000, 1,000, 50,000. उनको क्या है? They are shareholders. They are running the company.
Yeah.
Correct. So the number of shares which are available are only what are available with the public, which is around 20 to 30% of the total shares.
Okay.
Now, so what happens is the who is buyer here becomes a seller here.
Correct.
Or may become a seller here. Maybe he's not a seller here. He may become a seller here.
Seller here.
So he is enthusiastic buyer here. He is an enthusiastic seller here.
Seller here.
Role
Okay.
reversal ho gaya.
Yeah.
Somebody will say, now again, within our group, we are right now 100 people in this. Someone will say, nahi yaar, I think, just Triveni engineering, we discussed Triveni engineering, right?
Right.
On this thing, our budget session ke baad mein we discussed all this Triveni engineering, right? Now Triveni engineering, many people might have, 100 people might have different vision. My vision was Triveni engineering, the next 2 to 3 years, it is likely to benefit from government scheme. I might hold it. Someone will say, मेरे को क्या करने का scheme से यार, I'll buy here, book profit at 20%. Someone will say, okay, I'll hold it for, I will buy today and gift it to my grandchildren. So within 100 people, different needs. So the support and resistance concept as a concept is that, okay, because of this different needs, different people, different levels are formed in transit. But if you see, this is on a daily basis. If you see on a monthly chart, the chart will look so smooth.
Oh.
Correct. The chart will look as if there is no, मतलब इस रात की सुबह नहीं टाइप लग रहा है, मतलब कि जा ही रहा है. But if you zoom in, see, it has gone through many aberrations. It has gone up, gone down like this. Correct? The chart changes. So with your view, you have to see. So support resistance is, you have to look from the weekly angle, daily angle, understand it. Users will come.
Yeah.
Okay. So
good.
Yeah. Okay.
Clarified. Thanks. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, Gaurav, go ahead, please. So I'll take two more questions, Gaurav, and one more, whichever question comes. Yeah, Gaurav, please go ahead.
Yeah, so actually
you have two systems. You have to mute and one system. I think you are logged in from two systems.
Yeah, I am, but it's...
Yeah, you have to mute and you have to one system को totally audio उसका बंद करना पड़ेगा. Okay, there is a question from CMT. So by the time Gaurav comes in, I'll CMT asked, did not understand the concept of volume. In example, first candle showing high volume, but following volume was low, but price was going up. Okay, so just feel. Okay, I'm just saying you feel or you take absorb this concept as the participation, right? If you want more and more people to participate after you have purchased, let's say if I buy Triveni Engineering today, I purchased, मैंने तो खरीद लिया, I have purchased, I have already with me, so I cannot do anything. Now I want more and more and more and more and more people to buy Triveni Engineering so that it goes up, right? So if it is going up and more volumes are there, when the price is going up and more people are buying, that will reflect in volume. So if volumes are good, healthy, and it is going up, sab badhiya hai. If it is going up but the volumes are going down, that means buyers enthusiasm is going down. Anytime it can turn around and go down. So just link with the participation volume right now. Try to understand with the participation. If it is going up, people are more participating, that the volumes are more, it is likely to go up more, good thing. If it is going down, volumes are increasing, that means more and more people are trying to sell. So it's an enthusiasm towards selling. Just practice as per that, dhire dhire you will get the hang of it. Okay, so I think more or less all questions answered. Great. So what granularity to select for observing support and resistance, 1 year or 5 year? Just go on a daily. So Gaurav has typed this question. What granularity to select for observing support and resistance? Just go 5-10 years back, start drawing the support resistance level. But for immediate, you should look at 1 year, 2 year is good enough. 2 to 3 years is good enough. That's it. Duration for drawing support and resistance, 1 or 2 years is good enough. Go 5 years, you will enjoy, right? It's not only about drawing the lines. The objective is to enjoy while doing also, right? Like how many of you love to drive the bikes, right? Bike lovers or car lovers who love to drive, correct? So or something you love to do, right? So it's not about doing or driving or going from point to point. People enjoy when they will drive like a race course on the normal road also. So don't feel so stiff, right? Whenever you feel so stiff, when you are drawing the lines, whenever you're seeing the charts, just enjoy. You should get a feeling of happiness within your heart when you are drawing the lines and when you are seeing the volume. If you find tense ki yaar main theek kar raha hu ki nahi, am I doing right or it is okay, as soon as you feel tense, then you will not learn, you'll stop learning. So when you are
Sir,
drawing,
can I ask
don't
a
worry,
question,
don't bring that doubt. Just enjoy and draw the lines. Enjoy whatever concept I have told. You will be able to understand all those things.
sir, can I ask a question if
Yeah.
you have
Okay.
some
So I
time?
will take Ashwarya's Ashwari. Okay, Ashwari.
Actually,
Huh?
sir, actually, just wanted to know, like, just we saw in the Triveni chart, na, when we looked for the monthly duration, it looks smooth, but when we look for the daily durations, we see lot of supports and resistance.
Ha.
So what pattern should we do? Like in daily charts,
Go
we
for
see lots of
weekly.
hills
To
and
start with, go
valleys.
for weekly. Start with weekly, and then weekly pe you will get, see here, you see there is a nice support level here, right? Start with weekly. If you are finding the chart in daily to be very hazy, don't go for daily. Start with weekly. You will find clear peaks, clear bottoms. Draw the lines there, and see this is a peak, correct? This is the support level, correct? कोई doubt तो नहीं है अपने को?
No, sir.
When you will go to daily, you will find that it is nicely you are drawn the support, and see there is a support level, there is a resistance level,
Right.
correct?
Perfect. Understood, sir.
सो अगर डेली पे
Okay.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है बनाने में, यू आर फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, जस्ट गो टू वीकली, डोंट गो टू मंथली. वीकली बेसिस जस्ट ड्रॉ द लाइंस. जैसे ये रेजिस्टेंस है, राइट? सो मच रेजिस्टेंस हियर, सो जस्ट सी एंड इफ यू ड्रॉ ऑन अ वीकली, रेजिस्टेंस रेजिस्टेंस रेजिस्टेंस, support, very good. When you'll go to Delhi, you'll find that you have found a very good resistance level or a support level. See here, right?
Right, sir.
Multiple year support
Understood.
resistance. So go on a weekly, draw the lines, then daily. So when you are starting to practice, start with weekly and daily, and use the weekly ones.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night,
Okay,
sir.
great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Praveen, it's not about shadow and wicks, it is approximation, right? Art and science, like I said. Great. So
Subir,
thanks a lot.
One question I was typing in. Is there a PE for index funds?
PE for index funds hoga uska. I don't know. I have not invested in index funds actually.
Achha. Okay. So if at all it is there, because I was trying to find it out, I was not able to do so. So I thought maybe if you have an idea.
No, I don't have. I have not invested in index funds.
Okay.
So,
thank you.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Good evening,
Great.
sir.
So
I have
thank
one
you.
question.
Thank you so much for joining. See you on Thursday, 9 p.m. Till then, have a great time. Thank you.